We are pleased to show you the 2013 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.